Ellie the elephant loved colors more than anything. She would spend hours admiring flowers, painting her mud with bright patterns, and watching the rainbow after rain. One day, the animals in the jungle announced the annual balloon parade, where everyone would decorate a balloon and float it across the river. Ellie was excited. "I want the biggest, brightest balloon ever," she trumpeted. But Ellie had a problem. Her big elephant trunk wasn't very gentle. She tried tying the ribbon. Snap! The ribbon snapped. She tried blowing up the balloon. Pop! It burst. She tried painting it. Splash! The paint went everywhere on her, the monkeys, and even a surprised tortoise. The monkeys laughed, the parrots squawked, and Ellie felt frustrated. "Why can't I do anything right?" she said sadly. Then her friend, a clever little squirrel named Squeaky, scampered over. "Ellie, maybe the balloon isn't meant to be perfect. Maybe it just needs teamwork." Ellie thought about it. She asked Squeaky to help hold the balloon. The monkeys helped tie ribbons gently. The birds brought paintbrushes for decorating. Piece by piece, their teamwork worked, and Ellie's balloon became the most colorful and cheerful balloon anyone had ever seen. When the parade began, Ellie's balloon floated proudly across the river. All the animals cheered. Ellie realized something important. Asking for help and working together can turn a disaster into a triumph. From that day on, Ellie didn't mind that she sometimes made mistakes because she learned that teamwork could make everything better. Moral of the story: you don't have to do everything alone. Asking for help and working together can create wonderful results.